There's something that I really like.
Trees.
Bøgetræer,
Beechtree.
kastanjetræer,
Chestnut trees.
egetræ,
Oak tree.
birketræ,
Birch tree.
rønnetræ,
Rowan tree.
æbletræ,
Apple tree.
sommerfugletræ,
Butterfly tree.
nedetræ,
Nutbush.
vandnedetræ,
Walnut tree.
gingotræ.
Kingo tree.
There are many kinds of trees. This is a beech tree. In the end of my dad's garden, there is a big beech tree. So my dad had made a bench, and on that bench he's often sitting, listening to the birds and looking. Sometimes he do it early in the morning, because then he can see the fox. My dad has told me a story about a man who planted a tree every day. And now he has a forest with insects, birds, and big animals. And if you want to make it by yourself, you need paint, pencil, and paper.
So if you plant a tree, it can become a forest.